believer of sustainability. So since 2019, I've been doing this zero plastic, and since my birthday, which was on 5th September last year, I've almost gone zero waste.
To do the simple things that we can do on our own. One of them being, for example, ordering online. If you're ordering food online, it brings along with a lot of plastic.
I think we need an extra bit of activism to sort of space out our demerits that we've done in the last 100 odd years. So yes, I think we will make the cut, but it'll be like an inch race to the finish line.
India has a very, has a hidden key, because a lot of processes and practices in India were already sustainable. We just have to go back to them.
So I think sustainability is really important because there's a widespread income inequality right now on this planet, and the rich people, they can afford cleaner air, cleaner water, cleaner food. But the poor people out there, they're still breathing very toxic air, eating very toxic food, and drinking very toxic water.
What will be terrible is if in the next decade, at the end of the next decade, in 2030, we are having the same discussion. What can we do to stop this in 2040?
So like West is probably just learning these concepts. They get excited about steel, tiffin boxes, but we just have them. So I think though we are late, we'll easily catch up, and in fact we can lead the way.
Schools and colleges should encourage students to take up initiatives like this, fund these initiatives.
The earth has sustained human civilization for 50,000 years and maybe more. It's just these last 100 years that we've done something obviously wrong. So let's take a real call. Let's don't need to be angry with each other and point fingers, but let's take a real call and see what have we done in the last 100 years that we didn't do in the last 50,000 years, and try and do the 50,000 year things in current technology.
Now if we make more and more people aware, we educate, and everybody can take their own steps. So this is actually simple. If you create the demand for it, the markets will also change. So the change can happen fast.
The rate of sustainable products and the campaign of eco-friendly products is growing at a very fast rate, and if we keep going at this rate and we increase the amount of people we're impacting and the amount of people who are actually taking our words seriously, we can actually make a very positive change.